to become your most faithful and reliable partner. TSM. Taiwan Spreading Center Enterprise Company Limited. We insist on maximizing productivity for customers with the best quality equipment and a well-established service team. About us. As a specialist manufacturer of cutting room equipment, TSM was established in 1989. In 2015, we acquired Japanese automatic cutting room manufacturer Takaoka. With a history of more than half a century, to provide customers with complete cutting solutions. After integrating with Takaoka's R&D team, we have launched a new series of automatic cutters, TC4WB, to provide customers with better user experience and cutting quality. We are committed to global marketing and have successfully distributed thousands of sets of automatic cutting equipment to countries across the world. Every year, we participate in important international trade fairs and shows to demonstrate our R&D achievements and integrated solutions to customers. We will continue our efforts to optimize product quality and service enthusiasm. To operate the global cutting room equipment market and provide complete quality guarantee, we've passed ISO 9001 and CE certification. Every year, we also arrange TSM engineer teams to provide tour services across the world. As a result, sales rise every year, and we have customers from more than 50 countries across the world. R&D capacity. With outstanding R&D capacity, we started from one product and have developed 20 items in 6 series. Besides continually improving existing models, we engage in the R&D of new models to fulfill market demands. Currently, our equipment is applicable for apparel, furniture, automobile, medical, functional sports, and specialty fabrics. Automatic robot cutter TC3000, 5000, 7000. The robot cutters, which cut by knife reciprocation, are equipped with knife speed control, knife cutting sequence control, and cutting direction control. With high precision cutting, they can save materials and cut all sewable materials of different width and height at a cutting speed up to 40 meters per minute. Drill diameter ranges from Phi 1.6 to Phi 24. High energy saving, low noise, and comes with comprehensive optional tools. Future prospects. In the garment cutting field, we are not just an equipment supplier, but also an ally for customers to help them succeed. In the future, we will constantly expand our capacity and create new peaks for customers and ourselves to achieve sustainable operations.